Hi everyone and welcome. This one is the last of the theory classes that we're having. Next time we're going to be playing around with the Android IDE environment and we are probably going to end up creating a game. Inline functions. So they can make your Lambda expressions go faster. All you need is this keyword over here. So function and its parameters are expanded a call site reducing call overhead. However, it also expands the bytecode size, so don't use it if your Lambda expression is very big. So here we have two different usage. Here we are having the whole function in line. So these two Lambda expressions that are used as parameters of this function over here are both being expanded. Over here instead, although we are declaring the whole function as inline, we are also declaring the first lambda as a no inline, which means that just this one is going to be expanded. Delegation patterns are alternative to inheritance. Let's see how it works. So we have this interface over here and this class which implements this base. We are also redefining the methods. Here we have the derived class which is implementing the delegation. So we finally get here in the main. So we create a variable pointing at the base class. Now that's the situation. So base class is implementing base, derived is deriving from base, but now derived can use base class methods although is not extending base class, right? Let's see what happens when we execute this code. Okay, overridden 99. So it's actually printing using this method over here, which belongs to base class. Same concept here, but we are overriding this method over here. So we're expected to see another message here, and then 567, right? Let's see what happens when we run this code. Okay, another message, 567. As expected, because this one, it's calling this one rather than the original one, and the send line is the original one. Delegated properties. So first of all, make sure you are importing the light library. Now, lazy is a function that is able to remember the previous result, and that's the way you manage it. So you need to declare the return type and saying that it's managed by lazy. Now, we're gonna see this phone number line over here being repeated many times, which gives me the opportunity to copy and paste multiple phone numbers. Let's see what happens when I actually run this code. Okay, see? Name and then two phone numbers. See? I didn't need to rerun this function again because lazy did it for me. I just needed to append the new phone number. Okay, some observable delegation. We have the class music, and then we have this property. So, and that's the handle. So every time we have an assignment on this property, this handle is gonna run. And that's my jukebox with two new songs. Let's see what happens when we run the code. So at the beginning is empty, and then we have Moon River, and then Moon River becomes the old track, while Jingle Bells is the new one. Let's have a look at the code again. And that's pretty neat, right? So I hope you've enjoyed my class and thank you very much.